How to pin multiple messages in WhatsApp. If you want to pin multiple messages in WhatsApp, this video is for you. A caveat to note that you can pin maximum 3 contacts at a go. To pin a contact, all you have to do is to locate the contact that you want to pin and long press it. Then a list of menus will be highlighted on the top. Make sure to tap on pin icon. With this select, you can notice this message has been pinned with the pin icon beside it. In order to add additional pin contact, all you have to do is to locate the next contact that you want to pin. In this case, I'm going to pin this one. Then make sure to highlight it by long pressing it. Then scroll up and above and tap on the pin icon. Then you can continue to repeat the same process by highlighting the contact that you want to pin. Then scroll up and again and tap on the pin icon. As you could currently see, I have maximum 3 pins. In order to unpin it, all you have to do is to long press the pin contact that you have already pinned. Then continue to tap on cancel pin. There you are. The chat has been unpinned. You can repeat the same process to all this. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.